Yo, welcome everyone. Bitcoin has gotten another major pump directly into the significant trendline resistance. Be careful right now and try to not mess it up. Let me show you. Now, first you're going to see, in our yesterday's video, I talked about our horizontal range and how I'm personally looking to fire another short trade approximately at the top of this specific range. Bitcoin got a push towards the upside. We took the liquidity exactly above this specific high, we got a rejection back down, and yes, I did fire a brand new short or a sell trade approximately at this specific area. Of course, I also let everyone know in my free VIP Discord server. I said right here, top of the range is about to get hit. This is my second take profit on new long trades. We'll be opening a new short trade on a successful liquidity grab, and yes, Bitcoin got right here a rejection back down, and simply our first take profit was the value area high, the very important volume support level on Bitcoin when we are again right now measuring the entire horizontal range. And what you can see right here, Bitcoin hit the level almost to the exact dollar accuracy, and after that got another major pump towards the upside of, let's just say, approximately 4.3%. It really does look like that after a bounce right here with this major pump, a lot of short trades got completely wrecked and completely liquidated. Now pay attention to the past 24-hour liquidations. Over 559 million of short trades completely wrecked from the entire cryptocurrency market. And probably right now you're wondering, what can be our next trade? Where potentially can we enter another long, maybe even another short trade? Now, to be completely honest with you, I did close fully all of my long trades on Bitcoin, on Ethereum, and also on XRP. And I also do right now still remain in my already existing short trades on Bitcoin and also on Ethereum. Now, I have been holding both of those trades for a very long time. I just added even more capital to my short trade on Bitcoin with an average entry price right now at approximately $78,240 US. If we are right here going to get another rotation back up, for sure, I am going to be increasing my position size even further, and I'm going to show you exactly what can right now be our next target if Bitcoin right here does get another push towards the upside, because definitely another very important level potentially it is going to get hit in the upcoming days. But now when we are zooming out, let's just say on the 4-hour time frame, clearly it does look like Bitcoin is right now still trading at approximately our major trend line area of resistance. We have been talking about this exact level for a very long time, and right now Bitcoin has finally hit it. Remember, we are using the log scale right here, because if we go without the log scale, we need to adjust our trend line here, and Bitcoin is already very clearly breaking it towards the upside. Going right now on the log scale, adjusting our trend line, and it really does seem like Bitcoin is right now trading at a very important area of resistance. No way I would be looking right here for another major aggressive long or a buy trade. The only trades I'm right now potentially going to be entering even more are going to be short trades, not only on Bitcoin, but literally on the entire cryptocurrency market. But also right now, what is the first support level if potentially right now from the area where we are right now, Bitcoin is going to get some kind of a very small rejection back towards downside. Let me zoom in on the 30-minute time frame, because I do need to show you the anchored VWAP area of support. Anchoring it exactly at this specific low, you can right now see some kind of a local support level on Bitcoin is right now going to come in at approximately $76,100 US, and this area actually does align kinda nicely with the golden Fibonacci ratio. We are going to go right here from the swing low back towards the swing high, and it really does look like the golden Fibonacci ratio is coming in approximately at the anchored VWAP area of support. So I would say like that, potentially in the upcoming days, Bitcoin could still continue slightly higher towards the upside above our recent high. And yes, later in the video, I'm going to show you exactly why this right here, in my opinion, is going to be an ideal scenario. And before we do talk about that, I would really appreciate if you right now smash up the like button, because 600 likes right here are definitely possible. But also right now, thank you for subscribing to the channel. Let me now show you exactly why another push towards the upside, in my opinion at least, is actually going to be quite an ideal scenario. And after that, we might even look to fire another short or a sell trade, or personally, I'm going to be adding even more capital to my already opened long trades on Bitcoin and also on Ethereum. But let me right now go with a bullish elite wave count. We could potentially right now say Bitcoin only a few days ago already completed the first impulsive elite wave. We got a correction right here, right now getting the third elite wave right here. Correction at the moment potentially could be forming, and after the fourth one is finished, we could be expecting right here another final push up for Bitcoin to finish the entire 5-wave price structure. Now, why I do like this specific elite wave count is because the third elite wave hit the price target almost exactly to the dollar accuracy. What we need to do right now, Fibonacci extension, we go from the exact low back towards the exact high, back towards the exact low, and it really does look like 1.618 Fibonacci extension level on Bitcoin right here was hit almost to the exact dollar accuracy. That is right now why, if we do continue higher, for sure, we could be forming right here some kind of the last push towards the upside. We finish the entire 5-wave price structure, and only then Bitcoin might actually get right here another rotation back towards upside. On the other hand, if we are not having right here this bullish 5-wave structure, very simply losing the anchored VWAP area of support right here, in my opinion, it is going to be a red flag. Again, I do remain right here in my short trades. I don't have any long positions open right now, and that is simply why we are going to already look for another quite a significant push towards downside. But also right now, what is the target of our fifth elite wave if we do continue in the upcoming days slightly higher towards the upside? Now, you probably know that, of course, we have been talking about our daily level for a very long time, coming in at approximately 78,600 US dollars. This right here is simply going to be our first very important high-term time frame area of resistance. Additionally, for us to get the target of the fifth elite wave, we can also use Fibonacci retracement. We go from the high right here back towards the low, and we are simply going to apply the Fibonacci expansion levels on our chart. 1.236 Fibonacci expansion coming in approximately at our daily high-term time frame area of resistance. But not only that, slightly higher, as you probably remember from a few videos ago, we talked about that Bitcoin also does have the top of a major S&E channel. So definitely, if Bitcoin right now does continue higher, potentially the entire 5-wave price structure is going to come towards an end. Bitcoin does then hit the daily level. We hit maybe even the top of our S&E channel, but most importantly, we grab even more liquidity from the entire cryptocurrency market. What does it mean? Of course, we have already liquidated over 508 million of short positions from the entire cryptocurrency market, which in my opinion, it is already going to be some kind of a bearish Bitcoin indication. But the reality is, if we get another push up, for sure, even more people are going to get tracked. But not only that, people that are right now already holding a short or a sell trade probably are setting their stop loss exactly above the high. Another push up, we wrecked them, we stopped them out of their short trade, and only after they are wrecked, then of course Bitcoin potentially could get another rotation back towards upside. So why is this specific high right here such an important one? We are right now going to identify, of course, right here, the first liquidity level exactly above this specific area. But not only that, we can right now go on the Bitcoin liquidation heat map on the 3-day time frame. Clearly, the biggest liquidations on Bitcoin are coming in exactly above this specific high, not only on the 3-day time frame. What if we are right now zooming out on the 1-week time frame? Because this one right here is also showing a very similar picture. The biggest liquidations are going to come in exactly above the high at approximately 78,500 US dollars, very close towards our liquidity level, and of course also our daily high-term time frame level. So later in the video, I'm going to show you exactly how a short position trading setup is going to look like right here. But nevertheless, if you want to trade with us, take an advantage of the free 30,000 US dollar bonus with the first link down below in the description. You click the link right here, you register, you're already going to get 20 USDT completely for free only after you sign up. Then make sure you deposit at least 100, you get another 20 USDT, but also when you're going to open up your first trade, you're going to get even bigger bonuses using the first link down below in the description. But also right now on Bybit, not only that you can trade crypto, you can even trade right here Forex, commodities, and stock CFDs, but also brand new altcoins that are being released. So of course, if you're right now looking for another trade right here, taking an advantage of a free bonus using the first link down below does actually make quite a lot of sense. Now also, let me right now go with the MACD indicator, and and also money flow indicator on a higher term time frame. What we are right now going to be doing is actually quite a bearish indication of Bitcoin, but nevertheless, as I said before to you, ideally, if we are going to be bouncing approximately at this specific support area, we can still be looking right here for another push up before a major dump is actually going to start. So let me right now go with the MACD. Let's also go with the money flow, and we are going to go on the 4-hour time frame. Both of those indicators are right now forming for a very long time bearish divergences. Look right now, first of all, at the money flow indicator. We have the high right here, lower high, and also right here, another lower high. Bitcoin for the past few days right here, of course, we have gotten right here a high, another higher high, and also right here, another higher high. Bearish divergences on money flow on the 4-hourly, and also bearish divergences on the MACD indicator. So definitely, both of those indicators right now are being bearish on Bitcoin. We know we are trading right now already at a major trendline area of resistance. So again, no way I would be looking for another long position right here. The only trades I'm right now holding are actually a short trade on Bitcoin and also a short trade on Ethereum. Now, additionally, what if we right now go on the 1-hour time frame, paying attention again to the MACD indicator? You're actually going to see right here some kind of a bullish indication, because clearly Bitcoin is forming some kind of a higher low. The MACD indicator right here, it is getting another lower low. So in this scenario, we are actually getting a completely opposite indication as, for example, right here on the 4-hour time frame. It is actually a hidden bullish divergence setup, which means that continuation of the trend towards the upside is right now definitely still possible. That is right now why I am telling to you, if we do get right here another push towards the upside, for sure we could be looking right here at our daily high term time frame area of resistance to approximately $78,500. And let me right to show you exactly what can be a potential trading setup. You probably again remember about a short trading setup we were looking at in our horizontal range. Push towards the upside, push towards the downside, closing the candle below our recent high. It simply means a successful swing failure pattern, bearish indication, let's fire a short trade. And literally right here, I would actually look for literally exactly the same thing. Push towards the upside, then of course a rejection back down, closing the candle below our recent high. It could mean successful swing failure pattern, successful liquidity grab, people got wrecked, people got liquidated, some of them might even get trapped in a brand new long or a buy trade, and in this scenario, of course we know, we might even fire another short or a sell trade, stop loss above the recent high, looking for another major rejection back down. The risk to reward ratio of this specific short trade is probably going to be quite a nice one. So of course, if we are going to get something like this, a successful liquidity grab, personally, once again, I'm going to look to fire another short trade, not only on Bitcoin, but probably also on some more altcoins. That is right why, if you want to trade with us, take an advantage of the free $30,000 bonus with the first link down below in the description. You register with my link and you're already going to get 20 USDT completely for free. You deposit at least 100, you get another 20 USDT, but also when you're going to open up your first trade, you're going to get even bigger bonuses using the first link down below in the description. But also right now, thank you for smashing up the like button.